That is what happened in Times Square. It's called attention grabber. There's one car here and a crowd. And people are like looking at these cars as though it's a spaceship, and there is a problem now. Yeah, I missed the show a little bit, but that's the leftovers of the crowd around the machine, around the car, around the vehicle. So that's it, pretty much. And people are running away. And people actually running after the car like they have not seen anything like this in their life. It's like the president or the aliens are here. It's just a green car. A Lamborghini. And people are paralyzed by these cars. And here is a show is going on as usually in Times Square. Today is Sunday, like around 10 p.m. This is how it is Sunday, Times Square, Sunday night, 10 p.m. Times Square. You get the idea. I hope you get the idea. That's it, Times Square, Sunday, 2018, May 6. A Lambo, it's getting more attention than these real performers. Sometimes it's like this, something artificial like a car gets more attention than the humans. Artificiality. It is all around, as you can see. Buildings, billboards, artificiality, propaganda, and some real people doing real show. So that's it. Subscribe to this channel.